Pelishwan di Fibro, kejumtip nam ta kirizo kiba penmi lengba ke MPSC Meklia Public Service Commission te kidon lai tali kirizot kibangan pentip hakanek video kita gilong kene kabaningkong kuba penmi arpsan tarik September mentaka singi. The result of the interview for the post of Junior Engineer Grade 1 Electrical under PhD Department July 2019. Advertisement kabi arjar khandai kita exam arjar upsau te ka result kila declare. Gibayo ilong ar kidon arngut kawai khasi jantia wagaru. Shri Frigidian Khairim Dingdo wat Shri Saljong Armarak. Congratulations nam ta kini arngut. Dan kabar kane pada penmi arpsau September result. The result of the interview for the post of Superintendent Training for Safe Employment of Women in Need of Care and Protection in the Social Welfare Department December 2020. Advertisement kami arja arpo exam kade arja arpsau teka result declare arja arpsau hi bayo idai. Srimati Dafika Bakodor Kongstia naga UR kategori te congratulations ini ru ibrayo mat sakawai pat kane pada kade nakamta kane penmi apply tarik September result of the preliminary screening test for the post of junior grade finance and account officer treasury officer of Meghalaya Finance Service January 2024 kane pada kanami arja sauhi nama koloi pha kane pada held on the 8 June 2024 is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following number are declared to have qualified. The kini number ada ayahne kibon bahat check hina poga website mpsc.nac.in sabu kaling po description ru kiba like thok nam ta kane ka junior grade dia sekan mau check sudah ubayo sedang live san san ru ar ter dia sekan mau buat download ru ya ki admit card dan nam ta kane kin saong kin sapentip kandon ka main exam ya kane kin sapentip te sekan mau one check urun nomor jong pi la pilih to exam yang ini te sekan mau one check dan the date of the main examination will be notified in due course tekin sapentip yang katakan main examination ke beda jong ini te kini giba successful sa check urun nomor jong de udon em mat senang penkret no nam ta ka main examination te tanggini hi kijing betip khulisun